Hello, Shishupeng.
Hello, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also keeping fantastic. Glad to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
Right now, I will speak some Bengali sentences. You will translate those sentences in English. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start. আমি আগ্রহী নয়।
I'm not interested.
তোমার কাছে রাখো।
Keep it with you.
তাকে সময় নিতে দাও।
What? Let him take the time.
Let him
Take the time.
take the time. Okay. আমি কি কিছু ভুল বলেছি?
Did I say anything wrong?
Did I say anything wrong? Excellent. তুমি ঠিক আছো তো?
Are you okay?
বেশি দেরি করো না। দেরি করো না।
Don't be late.
Don't be
Don't be late.
don't be
Don't be late.
late. এটা আমার জন্য।
It's for me.
আরো একবার।
Once again.
আস্তে বলো।
Speak slowly.
এটা সহজভাবে নাও।
Take it easy.
Take it
Easy.
take it
Take it
easy. Excellent. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.